about 1,500, I think.
Oh god. Look tired and disgusting, but we are starting our 2-day Mount Cook trek today. We're in Lake Tekapo, ready to go. I've got really sore legs and sore feet already from doing Roy's Peak yesterday, but I just need to man up and let's do this.
Spend my time watching for spaces that have grown between us, and I caught my mind on second best all the scars that come with the greenness, and I gave my eyes to the border, still the seabird wouldn't let me in, and I tried my best to embrace the darkness in which I swear. Walking back down this mountain, the strength of a turning tide, the wind so soft at my skin, yeah, the sun so hot upon my side. Oh, looking now at this happiness, I search for between the sheets, I'm feeling blind, to realize all I was searching for was me. Oh, searching for me. Keep your head up, keep your heart strong. No, 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 no. Keep your mindset, keep your hair long. Oh my darling, keep your head up, keep your heart strong. No, 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 no. Keep your mindset always.
How are we doing?
Oh, we're doing good. I'm doing great. I'm tired and my hip flexors are sore, but it's amazing.
Good. Almost there.
Keep your heart strong. I was so real friend of mine the other day, and he told me that my eyes were clean. You know, he said I've been away, and we knew, oh, we knew that that's how it was me, and that it felt so good to see his face, all the comfort invested in my soul, to feel the warmth of the smile. But he said I'm happy to have you. Oh, I'm happy to have you. Keep your head up, keep your heart strong. Keep your head up, no, keep your heart strong. Keep your mindset, keep your hair long. Keep your mindset, keep your darling. Keep your head up, keep your heart strong. No, 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 no. Keep your mindset.
We have made it to Caroline Hut, which is right here. We are at like 1,800 meters. We're staying here tonight, and then we are going to go up here tomorrow morning for sunrise, and then make our way back down. Today was tough. It was a lot of like rock climbing, like scrambling on rocks, proper uphill. It wasn't really like a track walk. I wasn't really expecting it, but it was amazing and so much fun. My calves hurt, my feet have blisters on them, my glutes hurt, and my hip flexors hurt, because we did that walk yesterday as well, so everything hurts. But it was amazing, and it is so worth this view. Got some snow up here, so it's pretty chilly. So we're gonna go get warm in hell. And yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow.
I
that nice?
Yeah.
Pesto in our sandwiches. We did it!